Hi guys, let's start learning SQL. So I am not master, I am not expert at it. I had to just start learning SQL. So this is SQL table. This is columns, name column, continent column, area column, population column, GDP, gross domestic product column. So here the problem is to modify it to show the population of Germany. So here name is equal to France. Now try changing it to Germany. Correct answer. Okay, we solved one. Second one, Scandinavia. Checking a list. The word in allows us to check if an item is in a list. The example shows the name and population for the countries Brazil, Russia, India, and China. Show the name and population for Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. Okay, name and population for Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. So here there is a command already. Select name, comma population. So what they asked us to display name and population, so we already select name and population. So here they asked for Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, so we have to remove these names. Let's paste it with Sweden, Norway. It's actually quite easy to type, and then copy and paste. Denmark, and remove China. Now submit SQL. So correct answer. So you are being an expert, come on. So just the right says that problem. Which countries are not too small or not too big? Between allows between. So here there's explaining that between command allows us to range checking. Range specified is inclusive of boundary values. The example below shows countries with an area of 250,000 to 300,000 square kilometer modified to show the country and the area for countries with an area between 20,000, that means 2 lakh and 2 lakh 50,000. So here just change the value to 2 lakh and 2 lakh 50,000. So you solve the lab. Correct answer. So you are already ready for tutorial 1, select statements with where. Okay, let's select quiz. Okay guys, try finding answers yourself. Select the code which produces this table. So this table, okay, so we have to display name and population. So select name comma population from world, table name is world, where population between 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs 50,000. So here it is. I think this is the correct answer. Will it produce correct answer? Let's see. Pick the result you would obtain from this code. Select name comma population from world, where name like A. So now the second question. Select name comma population from world, where name like AL. So we have to choose the names which contains AL in the names. Then, so table A, Albania, Algeria. Table B, percentage, Albania, percentage area. Table C, table D Albania, table E. Okay, so we get Albania and Algeria. Name comma population. So name and population. We get this table. Next, select the code which shows the countries that end in A or L. So here we have to write a query so that the country name will end in either A or L. So I think this is a command, select name from one where name like not, so this one, or so we use like to to select the names which is ending with that letter. So fourth one, pick the result from the query, select name comma length of name from world where length of name equal to 5 and region equal to Europe. Pick the result from the query. Okay, select name length of name. Okay, from world where length of name equal to 5. Okay, right now we are selecting names from Europe region. So if you see here, in order to do this we have to get Europe table. In that there will be list of names. So it is 6, this is wrong. Here there is 1 6, wrong. So here they are all 5. Okay, 5 5. There are 3 comments, that means there are 3 tables, that will be right. So Europe. So let's go with third option. List of heroes of the world table. Afghanistan, South Asia, area, population, GDP. So here there is a query and we have to select the output. Select name comma area square from world where population equal to 6400. So I have to get 468 and Andorra 15 36 936. This is the right answer. Andorra 468 into 2 936. Sorry, I mistaken the first time. Select the code that would show the countries with an area larger than 50,000 and a population smaller than 1 crore. Okay, there are 7 zeros, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. You have to write a query that selects in between 50,000 to 1 crore. Select name, comma area, comma population from word where area has to be larger than 50,000 and population has to be smaller than 1 crore. So here area is less than 50,000, wrong. Here area is less than 50,000, wrong. So here area is greater than 50,000 and population is less than 1 crore. This is correct answer. So if you see here, so I think both the comments are same. Where is the difference? Where area greater than 50,000, population. So if you see here, population to greater than. So this is the right answer. Let's go to the last question. Select the code that shows the population density of China, Australia, Nigeria, and France. In comma population area. Okay. China, Nigeria, France, and Australia. Okay. We have to use in command. So how many ins are there? There are a total of 3 ins. Okay. We can say that. So population area. Here they ask for shows the population density. Okay. So population and area, I think so. Now score the test. I hope at least we scored. So we scored 6 out of 7. So this is correct answer. This is correct answer. This is correct too. These two correct. So here it is wrong. So let's check for results. So no results. So which one is correct? Let's rescore again. So this two wrong. So where we did wrong? That end in either A or L. Okay, this is the right command. That two wrong. So what's the difference between this command and this command? So if you see here, L modulo A modulo, modulo A modulo A. So if you see here, so they are just a simple keyword mistakes that will make us waste most of the time. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye. We'll meet again in the next video.